In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate email seamlessly with your Monday.com board, enhancing your workflow and communication capabilities. If you're looking to streamline how tasks or items are managed on your board, especially those coming from emails, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this step-by-step walkthrough of mastering email integration with Monday.com. To begin with, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the board where you'd like to set up email integration. This is the board that will receive emails as tasks or items, helping you manage your workload more efficiently. Now we need to obtain your board's unique email address. This is crucial as every board in Monday.com has its own distinct email address you'll need to use for this integration. Look towards the top right of your board and click the three-dot menu indicated by three vertical dots, often known as the ellipsis. From there, select Board Settings and then Create Items via Email. This is where you'll find the unique email address for your board. Go ahead and copy this address because you're going to use it in the next step. With your board's email address in hand, open your preferred email client, whether it be Gmail, Outlook, or another service. In the To field of the email you're composing, paste the email address you just copied. Here's a key detail to remember. The subject line of your email will automatically become the item name in your Monday.com board. This feature helps you keep things organized right from the get-go. Furthermore, the body of your email turns into the item update, keeping all pertinent information in one accessible place for you and your team. While this setup allows anyone with the email address to send items to your board by default, it's important to consider permissions, especially if you want to limit who can email your board. You have a few options. You can restrict access to only board members, specific email addresses, or continue with the default setting allowing anyone with the address to send emails depending on your needs and security preferences. Finally, to make the most out of incoming emails as board items, leverage columns like status, priority, assignee, and due date to organize these tasks effectively. This organizational method can be particularly useful for handling client requests, managing support tickets, or even taking tasks from external collaborators. Each of these columns can be customized to fit your particular workflow, ensuring that your team can prioritize and act on items efficiently. By following these steps, you'll transform your board into an integrated hub where emails become actionable tasks, keeping your team aligned and on top of things. I hope this walkthrough helps streamline your processes and boost productivity. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.